Hi friends, today we'll discuss few important question and answers taken from the previous exams, and these questions are related to banking awareness, financial awareness and general awareness. What is meant by floating interest rate of loans? Rate of interest subject to revision every quarter. For these loans, applicable rate of interest will be revised every quarter. What is 5Ds? Demographic, democratic, demonetization, digital and disparative. What is a physical year? When you see the tax filing and all or company returns, every time they will say physical. Physical year means 12 months is the physical year. What is co-branded debit card? If the debit card launched by two organizations, for example, Kotak Bank has launched a debit card tie up with PVR Cinemas, this card is called co-branded card. Tell you the few abbreviations. GNPA is gross net performing asset, KYC is know your customer, AML is anti-money laundering, CFT is combating financing of terrorism, RRA regulation review authority, HIB how Indian borrows, NBFC non-banking finance company, PIDF payment infrastructure development fund, GLP gross loan portfolio, MFIs microfinance institutions and few more questions. Maharashtra Cooperative Bank PMC amalgamated with which bank? Unity Small Financial Bank. Name of RBI's new integrated ombudsman. Their slogan is One Nation, One Ombudsman. If any issue not resolved or customer is not satisfied with bank's reply, then they can file a complaint in ombudsman. What is consortium loan? If a loan given to a customer by collaborating two more banks, then these are called consortium loans. For example, one customer wants 1000 crores. For example, 4 or 5 banks, they will become a consortium and they will give a loan to a company or customer or a organization. This is called consortium loan. What is NBCC? National Building Construction Corporation. AUM, Asset Under Management. SMA, Special Mentioned Account. WALR, Weighted Average Lending Rates. GSECs, Government Securities. RDS, Retail Direct Schemes. SGBs, Souvenir Gold Bond. SRO, Self-Regulatory Organization. PMJDY, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. BSBDA, Basic Savings Bank Deposit Account. What is meant by digital lending? Lending through online platform or mobile apps is called digital lending. So you need not go to the branch, directly through online or mobile app you can apply and you get your loan. What is meant by vulnerability? Harm a system. How to harm a system? These will be tested during vulnerability testing. What is meant by loan against securities? If a customer or an organization taken loan against shares, mutual funds or life insurance, then these are called loan against security. Who is the present MD and CEO of NSE? Vikram Limei. BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. MTNL, Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited. IRACP, Asset Classification and Provisioning. FPI, Foreign Portfolio Investor. FIDC, Finance Industry Development Council. LAS, Loan Against Securities. IFSCA, International Financial Services Centers Authority. EPFO, Employees Provident Fund Organization. SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. AMFI, Association of Mutual Funds in India. What is meant by employee stock option? Shares to their employee at a special rate. Normally this rate will be less than the market price. What is meant by co-lending? Where bank and non-bank enter into a agreement for the joint loan for the priority sector lending. These are called co-lending. In co-lending, one bank will be involved, another non-banking institution also involved. What is meant by dormant accounts in bank? No financial activity for a particular period, then these accounts will be called as dormant account. As per RBI statement, how many accounts were not operated from last 10 years as on December 31st, 2020? More than 9 crore accounts were not operated from last 10 years. So exactly 8 crore 13 lakhs 34,849 accounts, and total amount available in these accounts are 26,697 crores. HPCL, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, ESOPs, Employee Stock Option, FACE, Fintech Association for Consumer Empowerment, NFRA, National Financial Reporting Authority, IFSC, International Financial Service Center, MCA, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, CII, Confederation of Indian Industries, ASCHEM, Associate Chamber of Commerce and Industry of India, CAG, Controller and Audit General, FRBM, Physical Responsibility and Budget Management. What is meant by diversion of fund? Utilization of funds changed. You have taken a loan for a purpose, but these funds are utilized for other purpose. Then it is called diversion of funds. What is meant by CapEx? Capital expenditure of funds to buy a asset. You are using your capital to buy a asset, then it is called CapEx. Who is Chief Information Officer of Airtel Payment Bank? Chakraborty. Who is Chief Economic Advisor? KV Subramanian. UR, unemployment rate. PSP, Payment Service Provider. PPSL, Paytm Payment Services Limited. EFSL, Edulus Financial Services Limited. DMD, Deputy Managing Director. ONDC, Open Network Digital Commerce. CNTL, Chanani Nasri Tunnel Valley. ITNL, ILFS Transportation Network. ACRE, Asset Care Restructuring Enterprise. NCLT, National Company Law Tribunal. WLA, White Label ATMs, Automated Teller Machines. PMJDY, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. MPC, Monetary Policy Committee. ODS, Offshore Derivatives Instrument. FEIs, Foreign Portfolio Investor. AWS, Amazon Web Services. SPMCIL, Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited. MOU, Memorandum of Understanding. HFCS, Housing Finance Companies. RBI imposed restriction on which cooperative bank on 6th December 2021? Nagar Urban Cooperative Bank. So they restricted every customer for 10,000 rupees. Percentage of Jan Dhan accounts holding by women. More than 55% accounts are holding by women. Total number of ATMs in the country. Over 2,13,000 ATMs are available. 47% of these ATMs are located in rural and semi-urban areas. WazirX related to which industry? Cryptocurrency trading on the exchange. This is the exchange used for the cryptocurrency trading. India's position foreign exchange reserves in the world is 4th largest country. Who is the managing director and CEO for the Bajaj Allianz Insurance? Tarun Chugh. Who is authorized to buy confiscated gold from government? It is RBI. Which bank launched Android app for the differently abled employees? PNB. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends also.